Get the good stuff. Hi, my name is Jim, and I wanted to share a sneak peek with you guys. I'm going to be opening this up. This is about 13 years old, maybe 14 years old, and this was a survival backpack, if you want to say maybe a bug out bag, and it was for 3 days. They made these for floods, hurricanes, any type of situation, but the name of the company was foodinsurance.com, and it was a great bargain, really. I think I paid like $135, and I bought 4 of these kits because at the time there were 4 in our family: myself, my wife, and my 2 daughters. And I'm going to be opening this up and sharing it with you just to show you what came into this kit. And I think you're going to be impressed. I'm not aware of any other company currently offering this. And then 2, after we do that, I'll do a second video and we'll be trying out some of the food in this. And this is 14 years old. And we'll see how well it had kept its word as far as its shelf life. So anyway, stay tuned and look forward to you coming back to get the good stuff and to find out exactly what came in these backpacks from foodinsurance.com. I'm not even aware that they're in business anymore. I looked on the internet and nothing came up. So if anybody out there knows what happened to foodinsurance.com, or did they rename themselves, rebrand themselves, let me know that too as well. Anyway, thanks. Make it a great day.